Hello students, in this video we will be solving question number 3 and 4 from exercise 4.2. Question number 3 says check which of the following are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 and which are not. And we will be given different coordinates or x and y and we need to substitute those values in that linear equation to find if left hand side is equal to right hand side. So we'll begin with the first one, the problem, and the coordinates given as 0, 2. We need to check whether 0, 2 is actually a solution of the equation x minus 2 equal to 4 or not. So we'll say okay, the equation is x minus 2y equal to 4, just writing them down. Now we have to prove left hand side is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is x minus 2y and right hand side is 4. So left hand side, when it comes equal to the right hand side, okay, then we can say this particular coordinate are solutions of this linear equation. What it means is this 0, 2 actually means x, y. Value of x is 0, value of y is 2. When we substitute the value of x equal to 0 and value of y equal to 2 in this left hand side, we should get it equal to 4. If we get it equal to 4, we can say that this particular question or the coordinates that are given are actually solutions of this given equation. But if it doesn't come equal to the right hand side, we can say that these coordinates are not solutions of the given equation. So let us take left hand side, which is x minus 2y. And in place of x, we'll put the value which is given here. X will be equal to 0, so 0 minus 2. Instead of y, we put 2, and we get 0. Since there is a minus sign, the minus will come over here. Okay, and 2 into 2 is 4. So which means we get this equal to minus 4. But our right hand side is 4. But you can say RHS is equal to 4. Therefore, you can say LHS is not equal to RHS, which implies that 0, 2 is not a solution of the given equation, which is x minus 2y equal to 4. Okay, so this is how we need to check whether the given solutions are actually given the coordinates are solutions of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4 or not. Let's go to the next problem. The next problem, the question given is 2, 0. So the linear equation will remain the same, x minus 2y equal to 4. We are given different coordinates this time and asked to check whether or not it is a solution of that particular equation. Once again, we write down the equation, which is x minus 2y equal to 4, and we take left hand side, which is x minus 2y, and substitute the values of x and y in this given equation or this left hand side. So in place of x, we put 2 minus 2 into this time y is 0. So 2 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So we are left with 2. So once again, you can say it's not equal. So but RHS is equal to 4. Therefore, LHS is not equal to RHS. This implies, this is the sign for this implies that 2, 0 is not a solution of the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. That solves problem number 2. Coming to the next problem, we have 4, 0. Let us check whether these coordinates are solutions of the given equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Once again, we write down the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Left hand side equal to x minus 2y. In place of x will come 4. In place of y will come 0. 4 minus 2 into 0 is 0. So we left with 4 minus 0 is 4, and right hand side is also 4. You can say therefore LHS is equal to RHS, and this implies that 4 comma 0 is a solution of the given equation x minus 2y equal to 4. So this time we have got a solution for the given equation. Next problem is root 2 comma 4 root 2. So we write down the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Left hand side is equal to x minus 2y. So in place of x we'll substitute root 2, and in place of y we'll substitute 4 root 2. So root 2 minus 2 into 4 root 2 gives us 8 root 2. Root 2 minus 8 root 2 will give us minus 7 root 2, but right hand side is equal to 4. Therefore you can say left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and this implies that root 2 comma 4 root 2 is not a solution of the given equation, that is x minus 2y equal to 4. Final problem under question number 3 is 1 comma 1. We need to check if it is a solution of the given equation. So write down the equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Left hand side equal to x minus 2y. In place of x we substitute the value that is 1. 1 minus 2 into 1, that will give us 1 minus 2 into 1 is 2. So 1 minus 2 gives us minus 1. But our right hand side is equal to 4. So we can say therefore LHS is not equal to RHS, and this implies that 1 comma 1 is not a solution of equation x minus 2y equal to 4. Okay, so we managed to find just one of that is a solution of the given equation. The remaining 4 were not a solution of x minus 2y equal to 4. With this we complete question number 3. We will do question number 4 now. Fourth question says find the value of k if x equal to 2 y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to k. So here we are given that x equal to 2 y equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y equal to 4. That means the coordinates are given as 2 comma 1. What we need to find here is this value of k, and we can do that if we substitute this 2 comma 1 or x equal to 2 y equal to 1 in this left hand side. Once we do that we will get a value for k, and that is what we are asked to find out. So let's do that. So the equation given is 2x plus 3y equal to k. We are given x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 equal to k. 2 into 2 is 4, 3 into 1 is 3 equal to k. 4 plus 3 is 7, so we can write k is equal to 7, and that is what we are asked to find in this question number 4. So with this we complete questions 3 and 4 under exercise 4.2 in this video. If you like watching this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and classmates. Please subscribe to the channel and do not forget to click on the bell icon to receive updates. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.